What's up guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. So this one, Country Girl Gone Bad, it based on a story where one aunt, bad aunt, like my mother did left me with. I'm not telling you, go and go watch a movie, but the point I'm trying to get to. I never know if to title it, I don't know if Country Girl Gone Bad or right title, but I don't want Country Girl and I get bad, so kinda makes sense. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, share, comment, and leave your opinions down in the comment section. If you are new, welcome to Kiera TV. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Also, go over to Kiera and Toga TV. Subscribe, the link will get down in the description box below. Thanks for your support, guys. Really appreciate it. Please do enjoy the movie.
Yes, I'm at the house every day. Do. You know, I look something to do. You know, I look work.
Yeah, you yourself. How much money my mother did left give you? And me, if you go look work, but you there enjoy my money. Me want to go somewhere you can't even give me money you tap out of to pay bills and rent and buy food. So much money you pay bills and rent and buy food. And you want me if you go look work now, while you enjoy my mother money.
You think that money is something I stay? Money is something where you use spending, we done. And she never give me for mine you. You're big and old enough. Go and go look work.
Alright man, tomorrow we wake up, put on my clothes and go see if I can get to work. And you know, say no work no there, they place either. So I don't know where you tell me about me to go look work.
I know only one place work there. Anywhere if I find the work, go and go get it.
Alright. Alright. We will look work, man.
Boss man, what happened?
But there, man, you know, say Portland, me I send you go to the. You know, it's an easy can for you pull off up a Portland.
You know some people up there. I mean, why have to say still? What's going on?
Yeah, man, I'm going to get necessary. I'll send it by your phone. But when you reach a Portland, when you get a girl, young and fresh, you accompany up on a mission because we can't have you one out there in the field. You understand? So just do what I tell you to do. And come back safe.
I bet things are going with you know where I get girl from. But you know I least that, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Give me 2 lemon.
So long for now.
Alright, let's see how red.
Alright.
Yeah.
We can get work money if you go look work, please.
Where me forget you from? Go and go find me somewhere else. Me not have none.
Where do you do the money when my mother give you? My mother tell me say enough money she left now. And you want me to go look you where? Which one tells you want me if you go look it? Sun hot and early morning and you want me to go look work with you today now and give me no fear. I'm for walk in a hot sun.
When me take out money out of you, out of A, figure, the money I go short, right? So make sure you get work.
Hello.
Morning. You from around the side?
Yeah.
Me no don't know me. And yeah, time me know one place named Johntown.
Yeah, but why you ask? Me don't know your face you from around here. Although if you were from around here, you would have asked for Janto, but you can't just give out the location for places like that, you know, so.
You know what I say? Me not come from here, but I'm an auntie down here. I'm gonna look for her. I mean not get her phone, but me know what she said me if you come at Johntown.
Auntie. So what that's something in your bag? Look so.
Know yourself about this in my bag, man. I just something me I give me auntie. So you show me her what?
Alright, anyways, you see going straight down ahead, are you? The place on the right hand side, the second lane, right there's a Janto there.
Alright, so come now.
just follow my guy to this and no one know exactly how she back. I mean, no have to ask nobody else. Talking about that, you look like one nice girl that look one work. You want work?
Oh, you know, see, I work me a look. Cause what me I want from mine and look work, yes. Which part work there?
You know, the whole part right there, children which I'm live.
Where you come from?
Yeah, me give me number.
Take mine.
Alright. And me I'll call you because my auntie wait for me.
Yeah, man,
where your
just ring
number?
my phone. 229-1435. Just
Alright.
ring my phone.
You find something to do?
I don't find nothing, you know. Everywhere I go, they say they don't have nobody now. They don't have no vacancy available. But I see one girl who come from Trelawney and she tell me someone work today. And good work, call center work. And I can come down there and I can stay with her.
You see, girl, and girl that offer you work and to come stay with her. You know a girl from ya?
No, my girl, but a good work, she say. And me can make money and yeah, so I go look work. So if me can get it somewhere else here from Portland, it would have nice for me. And you are pressure me, so that would have be good.
You're not going to stay with no girl. You're not going nowhere.
First, me can't get my money when my mother give me. You send me go look work, me not get no work. Me ask if you want opportunity to go somewhere where me can get good work. And you go like you want to rule me and tell me what enough to do. Alright.
Wait, you're not going to work. You just got the one place alone and think say, also people find work. You think work will come look you? Come to the house, go look work.
You know, say I get annoying and get pant up on my nerves now. Yeah, me and Tia, I don't want disrespect you, you know. Because I don't know how you expect me to go look work. Walk up and down early in this hours of morning. Walk up and down go look work. In a sun hat, you know, give me no money, I have my mother money sit down on a mind who knows when I give you bad breed pity them. When I even know that take care of you, you send my mother money when she left to take care of me and you want to send me go look work and you picking them and enjoy my money. Are you baby father?
You know, stay in here and talk to me anyhow you feel like you talk, you know. If not, pack your bag and go.
You know, so I don't know why me ask God every night why my mother did that for dead, you know. I don't know why my mother left me with you, you know. That's the worst thing she could have ever do. You think so me have to dead in your place? Hello? Can you see this? Oh, Kiera. Yeah. Yeah. The work where did not tell me about. Where you go? Mm-hmm. What do you mean you can't talk over your phone? I just want to call center work. Alright, where you want me meet? Alright, where you want me meet you? If it's somebody when I come from Portland and you know enough place, alright. You come right now. Alright. You So we are saying now, Kaya, so we can't talk over the phone. So me want to know what about the work where you truly where you live, so.
On call center work, you know, see and everything can talk over phone. Phone is safe nowadays. So I'm saying, you have no experience in that?
No, I don't have no experience in that, but we can learn to at the same place that you work to, call center.
Me do a lot of work, you know, but yeah, that's one of my job them. So you interested?
Yeah man, me interested, so where you go when you go back over, so when me I go to just come, me don't have no fear, you know. Me don't have no money.
Girl, if you're leave, I me I come with her. And I have a 1-bedroom house down there. They can steer me and work and help me pay rent and some at least that. So me I go over Monday. So just me have a number, you have my number, so just pack your things them and get ready and we link up. Me can't send up and talk to her, you see me, because me always depend on the move. So call me for nothing.
Yes, you're right.
This is it. Welcome to Chilani. What do you like your place?
Yeah man, I like it. Nice place, place kind of nice, it warm. I never know if you live near roadside, but I don't work around really, I work, I come here for work.
Yeah, girl. I'll do only bush and something, but you're gonna like it, especially inside. So come on, let me show you inside. Yes, girl. So this is our room where we are going to stay now. Alright, take out the slippers this so this I one room. You know one room, so you have to go share and when you get paid, we split in it. So the bathroom, they're on this and this is our kitchen. This is the sun living room. So you know we know for share when we get paid and something.
So, may I help you buy food and there's something that
Yeah, it's all you eat.
so you have to stay good?
Girl, you don't have to worry about that. Tomorrow you know about everything.
Alright.
See in our room here.
Alright.
So, you can put on your bag. And something. So, me I go sleep on the bed, yeah. So, girl, you can't sit down when you're going so far.
I don't want to sit down, I go in the kitchen, go get something for you, go cook, we're hungry.
I say, boy, a town there now, in a country there now, we can't always go, we can't go Burger King or anything. Them things are there which we live.
No, yeah, them places there are Portland, but I just KFC, we don't have Burger King or something, but we can go get that then, that sounds better than cook.
Come on, girl, we go get some food. Come in here going like
So
your
we can't
country
pay that
now.
change.
Girl, come on.
Alright. Morning.
How you wake so early?
Cause you said me at work 8:30, so I get up bed and get ready and everything. Me even look more breakfast.
Me can ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Where you go dress so?
Girl, you know see office work?
Not because the office work and the office dress. You know see you overdo it.
So I'm for wear then.
Just go put on some. Put on regular clothes and come on.
But you say office work, you tell me say a call center
And that,
work. So
you see
what-
country and town different. So just go put on something and come on.
So I can put on one jacket and one blouse or put one blouse and over this instead of a jacket and this.
Go put on the jacket and the blouse. I don't know where y'all go look so. This girl, that better.
Girl, you come out to me like this.
You're gonna get all of them. Kiera, where you going? God help me that. Where you going the bag?
Come on, I'm gonna late.
Me not gonna know over there now. Come on.
Come on, who you ever working on that?
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna take up the key.
Girl, you just feel weird in the day now.
Say more. Come on. Say this. Come on.
Sure. You tell me say office boy, Casey, this is no office.
Yo.
This look like house.
You want to go back to Poland and go dead if you're hungry, though? You want my money? No, just let me know if you're selling. You want my money or you don't want my money? You want to go dead if you're hungry? I don't know foolishness now.
So girl, when we go in here, so in our house, come.
Brother, just come. If you don't come in there now, go know where you're going to do. So just forward and just relax and free up yourself and stop going like a country. I'm telling you, left then stay left and you're on the bus now. Come on. Man, see something?
Over there.
See girl, I'm there till about the work, you know. This is Kiera, this is my boss.
So, nice to meet you.
If you see me there, I country come from, so
Oh.
you know then the people stay.
Yeah, alright, how you feel the city vibe?
You like the place, man?
I'm going to kingdom. Stop touching me, man. So go and deal with that. I wait for
No
you.
man, I just give a mission same time.
Bossy, I know you always say I want somebody to come in at a time.
But you want to come in, so. Alright, so I will go with Casey today. Follow her footsteps, she show her ropes. I work. The main objective is to just get the most money, come back, and we see what I want. But she will show you what I want, because she had do this long time. She not game before you. So when I come back here, I want somebody supposed to enter in so. I understand? Alright, so now go with Clarendon. I understand, so you send necessary information by your phone, so just make sure your phone up.
You know my phone always up.
You just follow her in her footstep and she will show you your ropes.
Alright, bossy.
Yeah, man.
Come on. Why you gonna like you're nervous, so you have to just relax, brother. You boss tell them what to do.
No, and just tell me say me to retrieve enough money and just follow your steps. But girl, where that place said they know long way I drive.
Just easy. I'm here there with you. You're not nothing for a boy. So you're going to give you something for you to protect yourself. You see this? You're going to do this at all times.
Girl, we are doing that.
Take a gun from your eye want back a country go dead for you hungry. You don't want money, girl. Oh, you think me get money? Hold on pan this. So you're gonna need that at all times. You see them here? And them protect me. And them protect me. Just swallow this. Okay, you see them here? And them protect me at all times. Stop one like you mad now, girl.
So girl, what we are gonna do? Kaya, no, tell me what we are doing with them here.
Take one step at a time. Me give you that, so I'm going to tell you what to do now. In this, you have to be a real gun girl. So, just relax and come on.
So we can just follow you?
Yeah. Is alright, I'm telling you. We are going like, we are friend up with people. Then now see we back in the say, you don't have to worry yourself. After we do this, we are left this a parish here. So we are friend up with people and then we are kill them. If you know, I go do the first crime, make you see how everything do, then you do it after me, isn't it?
So how we are gonna retrieve money when we kill him?
You don't worry about that, brother. You just want to know, say, when the math's done, you get your piece of cheese. So just come on.
Enormous continues.
I don't want to eat that back on me, you know. So if you know if you're going to be a guy, you know. Today you're gonna make a decision. Is it that you're gonna go back and Poland and go dead for hungry and not call my phone, or you're gonna do this? Or you think people survive? You think 9 to 5 and make nobody survive?
Girl, this not solve everything. We can't use this to solve money problem, girl. Why you do people them like that? Girl, I'm not used to the life. I'm coming inside, you tell me say office work. When we reach our place and I tell this not like office, so I just call on myself and I know bad, and then again you go do that to people them. Or you even know say people they have money and they safe and then something the girl, look how much money we get. I don't feel comfortable with that, and I say you can keep that because me just go in our people them place, doing people them like that, and just people them family have to go deal with all of them situations, they people all about. And me get $1 million, girl, I'm not comfortable. $1 million for that? No. Oh, me go sleep. Oh, you do this, girl. This you did do down yourself. And you invite me down yourself to do this with you, girl.
Let me address something. One, oh, you go sleep, you go lay down on the bed in the sun, and you come up and you go lock your hair and you go sleep. Two, oh, you think my bills and pay? Oh, you think I own too much something? Oh, you think me do that because of the work? You think give me the work a regular 9 to 5? Me could afford too much something? You're crazy? And three, you're going to do this or you're going to take the next bus a morning and go back here and go dead for hungry. Okay, you're going like you're a punk in this. And I tell us, you're three, you're new in this business, somebody to feel that first. But we get used to it now, so just chillax. Tomorrow when you wake up on the next mission, I bet you not feel the same way. Like, brother, this just normal to me, yo. So just relax.
Alright, girl, I'm not really want to go back and put and go dead for younger either. So, we just work really good. Me just find hard to process that one, so we can just try deal with it. But anyways, I really appreciate you helping me out, even though this help you never really help with the team. But alright, girl, alright, we deal with it.
And next thing again, you see anybody will ask them your work, you know, I will tell them where to do. Because they're getting a serious problem with this. I go, every police gun station, I'm going to link them. But my thing is, anybody asks us for your work, tell them to work on a call center at Trelawny. You're not telling them, don't give you no information. First thing, they go chat up to people too much, isn't it? So, that's that. So, come go clean up now, because I'll be a blood stain in the van, so come go clean up. Brother, keep that, I feel. There's a first in everything. You didn't know if it dash your paper.
What we do?
Brother, take it easy now, brother.
Girl, I know you said something, let me like.
See y'all at one bar lighter. You know flight weed, brother?
Yeah, see me, I tell us, really appreciate you help me out in a girl because my mother died 2 years ago and my auntie me stay with her. My mother left one only my money with my auntie to take care of me. And my auntie just, after I finish and everything, my auntie has something to go work. Me ask her when money do my mother give her. She said, money done because I not pay rent and I look work. And then she said, come out tell us and go look work and she deal with me bad. When I tell us family are really evil out. Sometimes they say friend better than family, sometimes they say family better than friend. But for me, I always friend for me.
You see your life funny? Remember when you come down here first time when you never want to do it? Look at you now. Lord. Jaja.
You want to really appreciate my love.
You see this I call ya? A bossy. Yo bossy. You know me there do. Me and Kiera there go easy. And I'm gonna ask you. So today I want that door win. Boss, you know ready anytime. Ishpa. I lie. Alright, I say Fatty, I'm chat to you and Kiera. Yeah man. Girl, guess what?
Wow.
This is what we are mash. A 7.5 million I get for this now. 7.5, that's not sound bad.
No.
I think he said we are the St. Thomas go to this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure,
St.
that
Thomas. You know yourself, we find it.
Right.
Anything you want to find out,
Oh,
we
yeah,
find
no
out.
more.
Later we do that. So 7.5 million. Look at that. So all the money we auntie, we can make your auntie go with that because we are make mills. We are make $1 billion a day.
So I want to push it now.
You want to push now?
Yeah,
So
that's what
then.
I'm going to buy.
Another day.
Another dollar.
Alright.
Fine, boss.
Oh, go on.
Yeah. Where's the going now?
Kiera go to Manchester. I reach Manchester. I go see the necessary. I also Lacey. When Lacey come in, I tell Lacey what man. So, just always remember, get the most money.
Yeah, man, me understand that. Alright, so I'm going to call you Lacey.
Yeah, man, but look at when first day I come here, I like you, but true, me I want to tell you, make you feel uncomfortable because it's your first day. You don't want to you get a bad impression upon me, so as I just come here, look at them things, so like you, I would really like to start something with you.
Well, I know what I'm not like you, but I come here for work. Plus, Lacey knew you long before, and then if me and you forget, then know Lacey go have a problem. And not even really that I issue still. I just don't want nobody right now. I just come for just work and make some money. I ain't do something, you know.
No man, I know Casey long time. And Casey has suffered a long time before she even started work for me. So I don't think she got pretty. Just think about it.
I don't promise you something, I will think about it still, but as I say, we come here for work, no relationship business.
Just think about it.
So how make your face look so?
No, go on in there, we're coming.
When we come out, you forgot them why your face looks so. Welcome, bossy.
Oh man.
You're always busy, man.
Yeah man, me always busy man, so it depends on.
I miss me a come girl because I don't know if we have no mission for crush tonight or whenever. It's me a girl link.
Yeah man, you know, so we always have work man. We no go Manchester for Narbook Avenue. Here?
Yeah.
You and Kiera. So, what gonna happen is I want 2-story house. So you I go through back and make Kiera go through front. Safe upstairs, the code a 44210.
Man, me understand. Just send the code for my phone, because you know me not remember that.
Alright, so you look a friend of Kiera. You can't talk to her because I try to look her and I like her. But she not to give me no vibe. I hear her talk for me.
But you know, so them pin their country pinning. So you have to take it one step at a time. Oh, me I talk to her and
Yeah,
make her
talk.
like that. So me I talk to her make she know a full 100. Alright. Come on, because you want to go up, you have to go explain and tell me why your face looks so. No matter the bad thing, like.
No money.
What? And an easy thing for them people. You know hungry?
Right now.
What shall I do look up later? We'll look for something because January.
We should have buy something but I try to roll after the late, you know.
Yo, our time now walk that tree. So boss never talk to you about that thing. Can you show me a pre? I must say, we did talk to you. Our one.
Casey, I don't know this thing. But tell me about how you like me and what I like to take care of me and him to just deal and I'm not have to go on missions and all with them. We can just get easy money. But girl, I don't know this. I swear.
Girl, you are talking about boss, yes, sir. You see 7.5 million we are make? You want to make double that, you know? Brother, and sometimes in life, if you don't like the thing, you have to just give that try, better opportunity, yo. And that we don't know who no one want to know. But if everyone you want me leave with care, brother.
So Casey, we are trying to say, if we just talk to him, even though I don't like him and take money from him, that's what I try to say, Casey.
But me not try to say it like me, I say, there's someone like that, not this life you have to wise up.
Alright, girls. I see what can go on then. Since you have something can get more money or something, and then it can be better for me and you at the end. So, alright then. So tomorrow when I'm going, we just making no say. Ray can go on then. The great still on.
My worst part about you, boss here tell me today so we have a match in Clapham, Portland. And I say people know you're Portland, so maybe we have to go. Remember I really do makeup? Maybe we have to go to her to try do something for them and notice here, yo. Because we can't make, you know what I mean?
Bro, don't let me talk about right now. What if your boss find out you play me, you play? What am I going to do with me?
You can't make him find out see you play, in a this girl, you never use one man before.
Girl, don't let me worry about it now. What if you find out you play me, I'm just waiting for money? What am I going to do with me, girl?
Girl, what am I going to find out? At least that you just link him when you link him, anything you want. But at the end of the day, you have in your back of your mind, so you don't want him, brother. I remember say, what we think we have them here for? Before him try to take you out, I take him out first. That me I try to teach you and this a thing. Get a piece of food for him. And if I dirt, you know me have your back.
Alright, me have a plate since. So just go and do what you want.
Alright, me just wash up this and start cook. How you want?
We have to put some chicken and fries. You have nuggets in my fridge.
Alright, so them money make them go and out. Me have
I tell them say I want somebody to come in.
Easy, joke. Friend take over, me never know say. He can't go and say man.
Me say.
We say we have to do now.
You alone I go for
Alright, we'll
me.
wait about this now.
Yeah, go this one.
Wait, come in now. I alone I go permission to the Kiera stay with me. So, as usual, to them now, I tell them I'm just going to give up on the phone.
Kiera stay with you.
Yeah.
I saw no one. Anyways, alright. So you say I send it from phone. Alright, do that. Me go to so me make Kiera come back in. Because it's not easy.
Like, to me, I care out for a special day to them, man.
Oh, I'm glad phone. Man, just send me some from phone.
Yeah.
Kung galang into your man. I may not go on a mission today.
Wash tomorrow.
No, we had them wash for
Later.
one.
I'll make sure you see you change your clothes because I don't know about that take a turn. Yeah.
Go on in.
Yeah, put your clothes on.
Yo,
Another deal.
January girl. Hello. How you feel?
What do you mean, girl?
Girl, sometimes I feel like I just want to stop this young, you know, dog. And if I just get up and I deal with people, so. We have family too, you know. I don't want all this curse to come down and help and pick me.
I get what you say. So what you think about what you gonna do? What you plan?
I mean, I think about it, you know, so me a think to them, I say, a boss have more say money. You know, say if I go up on a mission, and say we get 50 million. You know, say 25 a fee, and me have to share 25. You see me? So me there say, me know say, you don't want him and there something there. You treat you good at everything, but sometimes you have to win for lose. You have to lose for win, you see me? But want we try to find out which part boss you keep the money there. See after we get that the money there boss you have, we just blow him out and we go to a different country. Me have a link for we change the identity in our passport and something. So me have a link, we just deal with that and just show up and start a new life. Because at that time I know we have enough money can just deal with anything, you know. Life set.
Casey, is why you just dash down one whole pan we after we just come in after that seat mission thing. After you get me in this, I know you really want back out. Anyways, that can do, but to me close to the boss now, Mr. say I'm me you want to go find out when you stash that and get it. I don't want.
I must say you man like, you know, so easy something like fear get. So think about it.
Alright, we do that then. I'm not have no problem with it because that we are say someone good. So you're sure say somebody can make we get new identities and we say we are going one different country, we are left Jamaica.
At 25 years, me in this business, yeah. Enough time I should deal with it for me. I think a little place I go deal with badness, brother. Just forward, I could go to bed, clean up and go sleep. I'm not going to talk about this.
Alright.
I go to bed.
I want to think about it.
Put up that for me.
Our time. Let's see how we're going now. Can I sleep when my heart could sleep now?
Girl, I list that. So, why? I just know why you're nervous for this mission, you know. But, you go. And, me go come there. And, you go tell him, say, you want to come for a mission with me or whatever. Girl, you know how food thing, girl. So, we know
So,
if you
I
match
tell him,
that.
say, I want to go on a mission with you today. Alright.
Them say a long time I go on a mission with me, I want to go on a mission with you. You must know if you match that still. So, we're in this together, you know. Because money we are dealing with. So, we'll just go back match
So,
that
how me
up.
I will get him out of the room?
Girl, you go tell him, say, go on out the door, go talk to me. And every time I want to talk now, so go out the
So,
door.
we can tell him, say, like, if you go out the door and talk to Casey.
Yeah.
I mean, Ines alright.
So meanwhile, me out there distract him,
Yeah,
you're
man.
in there try look to see which party I had the
Yeah,
money.
me get that, me get that.
So, you just to go match up that.
So, girl, wait now. Oh, we will get him out of the room. That's our problem now.
Me I tell him say, oh me can't tell him say. Me can't tell him say I get hurt
Pan the mission.
On the mission.
Give me address.
Yes, I'm making go there. So me know everybody they search. You there in the house. I look for this something. Then me send you my location to meet me there. So we just cut.
Girl, I feel like if you make me meet your back, yes, nobody don't know where we live now.
True.
So you better make me meet your back, yes.
Pack up all our things, the man just cut.
Girl, I'm nervous now, you know, but
Brother, you
no, we
can't
can't
nervous,
mess
you know.
this up. We have to just act normal, so I'm going to try my best, because I want to get out of this with you like we said last night. So I'm going to try my best, we are going to be the kind of still dark now, because man no light out it, so we are going to settle and everything. We can't stop saying thanks, Casey. You get me in this, I know we have make it make sense and I said we need to come out. I respect that.
Yeah, you know, so this is a life and death situation, so we have to cook with all that it's called life and death situation. This.
I'm just hoping to find out and in a year nothing.
No man. I got the hear that we are dealing with still. I can't even see. We have to spread this kind of say we soon left.
You know, someone go for a mission and Casey today, please.
You can't go with Casey, I go with Casey, I go very, very dangerous. So you just have to stay here with me till she get an easy mission. You can go with her.
You know what, I can manage myself. Plus, remember, I've been to do this before me get a chance we can stay with her. So just please let me go today. And by the way, you need to go outside, go give Lacey her mission. They just always itch up in here, so on the laptop, just look where you have to gear and then you just go out to go gear her.
Oh, you do that, me do. Afternoon. You ready?
Me always a dinner boss, you're supposed to know that. Me always them ready for anything.
Alright, so you will go Mobile, St. James. You go Fish Lane. You know Fish Lane?
Yeah.
Fish Lane you go. Around the third house in our lane. On a 2-story this time. You go through the back door. A man live there named Mr. Dafton. Justice of Peace. But you not really did it when you have money. So you go through the back door. I pull it from here so you know I can hack in the system. I pull it from here so and you go in and I send a code to your phone for your safe. Around I don't know how much safe in there. But for more I want safe, they will get pulled. Alright, so that time.
Come here now. You have moved so fast, man. Look how long when I see the pines. You know, say, me have one pneumatic cars. Them a mission I go up and we need to protect ourselves. So pneumatic and something.
You get some new thing, man. You have some new thing that come down. So, Kiera go forward did you call she say she miss the mission, the man. You know?
Alright then.
She ready.
Bye.
Just stay safe, man.
Yeah.
You find that thing?
But alright girl, so we find it then I wanna enjoy them, but remember so when time we go up on the way like 10 minutes after, you can call me and tell me so we get hurt on the mission like we say I go do. And then we just go back down there and meet you back with her, right?
I'm called boss, you know?
What kind of place is man?
Hope you're weirding.
Man?
Tell him say. Oh, me can't tell him say. Me can't tell him say get hurt. Pan a mission.
Give me address.
Yes, I'm making go there. So me know everybody they are search. You there in the house. I look for this something. Then me send you my location for meet me there. So we just
Girl,
cut.
I think that's like
Girl, I feel like if you make me meet you back, yes, but nobody know where we live in now.
Achoo.
So you better make we meet you back, yes.
Pack up all our things, man, just cut.
Girl, I'm nervous now, you know, but
Brother, you can't.
so. So.
Okay, sit down, man.
jump in here.
Girl, you reaching up 5 minutes ago and I wonder how you're doing.
Girl, like this. No, sir. Girl,
Your plan work. I'm just nervous, you know.
I feel like I feel left tonight, you know. I feel like I feel till the morning. What do you think?
Girl, well, can I get job? I'm going to see your boss carry
You
your
don't must have money with this, you know. Rent a vehicle and carry back.
It's not there now.
Oh, no. You want to go there?
Can you see your house money, can you?
Yes, look at Angus. Go down there.
Oh, what's it now? Oh, no.
Bring up.
Oh, no.
I forgot to lift my strap down.
Yes, eh? Yes, eh? Yes, eh?
How would I? Oh, I know.
Me, man.
Where are your bossy?
Me, where do you go?
Huh?
Where do you go?
But come to know where I was in the place of myself. Where you know Shamali?
Yo, why tell me Kiera get her permission and I'm going to see Kiera? Kiera?
Yo, boss, with all due respect, nobody can turn up a mess, so come back.
Listen, call Kiera, I'm in a long chatting.
You tell me Kiera there. Who tell us Kiera there?
I don't talk, man.
Brother, just go ahead, man. Kiera, how you want to get your want? Get everything.
What you want when you're chatting with them? What you want?
And joke is,
When am I here?
I see something me want to you want to show me.
Yes, so no plan, you know, little plan or one pull off over my yard today. More about my money right now. I'm in a long talking before I have dark up down here.
One back who wish money, we are talking about. My girl is coming from foolishness, we are talking about, brother.
Foolishness? You have to say foolishness. More money. Go for money.
So Kiera, this is your gun boss job on me.
Babes, we are doing any type of money. We not
You see that chain me on the game? I hope that. So everything on our plan, me hear it.
So tell us if you have done this about you. You didn't know all of this?
Me hear everything. Me hear everything through that.
So since that, you hear everything I want to know. Yes, we are money. We are money. We not give back.
You're mad.
We are what about it?
You don't give me money and me do it when you say
Well, there's a time to be born and a time to die, so make us look at you. We have a gun. Where you strap there.
Alright, that's how I want to play.
Casey! 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 Look here, me come forget my dress and stuff them that me leave here. And later in the night, some moving man, they were gonna come for my bed, dresser, the stove my mother left gear, and the fridge.
You can always take them and go on out of order.
5 months in, my life I still not change. 5 months, I still not change. I same. You realize your age, so you know if you stay saying no. Or when I get older, nobody not going to take care of you.
You don't worry yourself. God will take care of me.
hope you have a very nice life.
Thank you.
I remember I said the man never come to make things. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. If you did enjoy, remember, leave an opinion down in the comment section. Let me know. Rate it. Also, remember, Kiera and Toga TV, link will go down in the description box below. Stay tuned. Soon, very soon, we're working on a new movie. So soon and very soon, we're going to post it. Just be patient with me, please. We have to try to shoot with the people that will have the girl work, etc. etc. Yeah, so just thanks to keep on with one, watch it, share with your friends, family, neighbor, co-worker. Let them know if you go and watch sometime with Kiera TV, it's the best Jamaican movie there. Big up on yourself.